Okay guys, I am Cheriyan. We can continue the application of differentiation. Okay, I'm going to read the question. A water tank has the shape of an inverted cylindrical cone with a base radius 2 meter and height 4 meter. If the water is being pumped into the tank at a rate of 2 meter cube per minute, find the rate at which the water level is rising when the water level is 3 meter deep. See, this is the figure. Inverted cone. Inverted cone. Shape of an inverted cone with base radius 2 meter. This is 2 meter. 2 meter. And height 4 meter. This one is 4 meter. Okay. If water is being pumped into the tank, water is pumped into the tank from the top. Okay. Pumped into the tank at a rate of 2 meter cube per minute. What is 2 meter cube? Meter cube is the unit of volume. Minute is the unit of time. So dV by dt, volume divided by time is 2 meter cube per minute. Find the rate at which the water level. See, water level raise. What is the rate of change of water level with respect to time? We need to find out dH by dt. Speed of the water level. We need to find out. See, speed is different. When the water level is here, the speed is much more than the water level is at here. See, at the first time the speed is much more. When it reaches, when the water level here, the speed is much smaller than here. You understand? So dH by is a variable. That's what I am saying. H is a variable. Okay. dH by dt, speed. Okay. dH by dt, we need to find out find the rate at which the water level is rising when the water level is 3 meter. When the water level is 3 meter, we need to find out the speed of the height or speed of the water level. Okay. H is equal to 3. Find dH by dt when H is equal to 3. That is the question. See, this one is, I'm going to give R, radius R. And this one is H. When the water level is at a height H, the radius of the water level is R. Okay, what is the water level at the height 4? So, what is the radius of the water when the height is 4? That is 2 meter. What is the radius of the water level when the height is H? That is R. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, then see, there is a triangle there by geometry. There is a triangle. See, this one is 2 meter and this one is R meter. The total length is 4 meter. This height is H. See, there are two triangles here. One is the smaller one, the other one is bigger one, right? So base of the smaller one is R divided by height of the smaller one is H. Then what is the base of the bigger one? That is 2. What is the height of the bigger one? By 4. So we need to find out a relation. Okay, relation between R and H. That is R is equal to. So you are going to multiply with H on both sides. So H cancel. R is equal to 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 H. So this is we got a relation between R and H. R is equal to half H. Okay. Then what is the volume of the cylinder? Because the volume is here. Volume of the cylinder is 1 by 3 pi R square H. Okay. 1 by 3 pi R square H is the volume. R square H. 1 by 3 pi R square H. So we can differentiate. Before we differentiate, how many variables are here? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 variables. We cannot differentiate. So we don't need this R here. We need to convert this R into H. What is r? R is equal to half h. So just substitute v is equal to 1 by 3 pi. R is what? H by 2 or half h. Yeah, I am going to write h by 2. H by 2 square h. V equals 1 by 3 pi h square times h is h cube by 4. So V is equal to 3 times 12 pi by 3 times 4 is 12 into h cube. 5 by 12 is a constant. So we can differentiate both sides. See, right now only two variables, 1 and 2. See, before there are 3 variables. We cannot differentiate 3 because we cannot find out. We don't need to find out because dr by dt is not given. So we don't need r here. dh by dt is here. We are going to find out. dv by dt is there. So if we differentiate, we get dr by dt also. So we don't need that. Okay. So differentiate both sides. dv by dt equals pi by 12. What is the derivative of h cube? 3h square dh by dt. Okay, dh by dt. So this one we can cancel out. Pi by 4. What is h square? H is 3. We are going to find out dh by dt, the rate of change of height with respect to time when the height is 3 meter. So dv by dt is what? 2 equals pi by 4. What is h square? 3 square, 9 into dh by dt. We can find out dh by dt. Cross multiply or multiplying 4 on both sides first. 4 on both sides. So you get 8 equals 9 pi. This one cancel out. 9 pi dh by dt. What is dh by dt? We don't need this 9 pi there. Dividing by 9 pi. So 9 pi cancel. dh by dt is equal to 8 by 9 pi. 8 by 9 pi. What is that? Meter per minute. Okay. 8 by 9 pi meter per minute. Let me see one more time. It is given dv by dt is equal to 2. Volume, rate of change of volume is 2 meter cube per minute. Then we are going to find out rate of change of water level. Okay. Find the rate of change of water level when the height is 3 meter. When the height of the water level becomes 3. Find dh by dt. That is the question. So draw a triangle. The same thing. What is the base of the triangle? 2 meter. 2 meter. What is the height of the triangle? 4 meter. That is bigger one. Height of the bigger one is 4. Radius of the bigger one. Base of the bigger one is 2. What is the base of the smaller one? R. Base of the height of the smaller one is h. So this is the formula. Not formula, it is the properties of similar triangles. There are two triangles which are similar. That is base, r divided, base of the smaller one divided by height of the smaller one. Small r divided, I am going to write one more time here. Small r divided by 2. Small r is the base of the smaller one. 2 is the base of the bigger one. Then, okay, here I write in a different way. So, small r divided by height of the smaller one. See, first you do everything in the smaller one. So, base of the smaller one divided by height of the smaller one. Then, base of the bigger one, that is 2, divided by height of the bigger one, 4. So you can do either way. Okay. If you do base of the smaller one divided by base of the bigger one equals height of the smaller one divided by height of the bigger one. Both are same. You can do any way. See, you can find R from here. Times H on both sides. Times H on both sides. So H cancel. R is equal to 1 by 2 or H by 2. R is equal to H by 2. See, then, what is the volume? Volume of the cylinder? V is equal to 1 by 3. So this is cylindrical, inverted cylindrical, that is, it is the shape of a cone, okay? What is the volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. It is not the cylindrical, it's actually a cone, okay? Okay. Cylindrical cone, okay? What is the volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi into, what is R? R we already got. R is equal to h by 2. Just substitute there. H square by 4. H square by 4 times h cube by 4. 4 into 3 is 12. Pi by 12. Okay. Then what is V? V is equal to pi by 12 h cube. dV by dt is equal to pi by 12 dV by dt equals, see, pi by 12 is a constant. Pi by 12 is a constant times, what is the derivative of h cube? 3h square dh by dt. We are going to find out dh by dt. Okay, h is what? H is 3 meter. So it is given. dV by dt is what? dV by dt is, say here, 2 meter cube. 2 equals pi by 12 into 3 into, what is h? H is 3 into 3 square is equal to dh by dt. Okay, this is 9. 9 times 3, sorry, 9 times 3, 27. So you can cancel out one, that is more easy. So 3 and 4, what is that? 3 and 12, when you cancel out, 4 3s are 12. So pi by 12. So 2 is equal to pi by 4 into 9 dh by dt. So 4, you don't need this 4 here, times 4 on both sides, and you don't need 9 pi divided by 9 pi. Okay, so you get dh by dt is equal to 8 by 9 pi. 8 by 9 pi. 8 by 9 pi. 8 by 9 pi meter per, meter per minutes. Okay, that's the first question. Okay, the second one. Okay, a man walks along a straight line. Along a straight line at a speed of 4 feet per second. 4 feet per second. A searchlight. See, a man is walking along this path, and a searchlight is somewhere here. The searchlight is located on the ground on the ground 20 feet from the path, 20 feet from the path, this is 20 feet. Searchlight is here. 20 feet from the path, and is kept focused on the man and is and is kept focused on the man. When he walk, the searchlight also focused on him. Okay, when he is reach here, the searchlight is somewhere here. Okay, that is the question. At what rate is the searchlight rotating when the man is 15 feet from the point on the path closest to the searchlight. Okay, that is the question. A man walks along the straight line at a speed of 4 feet per second. That is, I will write this is x and this one is y. Okay, dx by dt, speed of the man. He has a certain speed, and dx by dt means speed. Dx by dt is equal to 4 feet per second. Okay, a searchlight is rotating. That is rotating. It's an angle theta. Oh no, theta or A or B. Okay, I'm just write down theta. A searchlight is located on the ground 20 feet. 20 feet from the pad and is kept focused on the man. Okay. At what rate is the searchlight rotating? We need to find out d theta by dt. Speed of the rotating speed. That is angular velocity. Okay. D theta by dt. We are going to find out d theta rotating when the man is 15 feet, right? 15 feet. The man is 15 feet from the point on the path. So when find d theta by dt when x is equal to 15. That's the question. Okay. Yeah, that is the question. Okay, I'm going to find out tan theta. Tan theta equals. Now we are going to find out a relation between x and theta. Okay, tan theta equals what? Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is x divided by adjacent side is 20. Adjacent side never change. It's a constant. 20. Okay, x is equal to 20 tan theta, right? 20 tan theta. Dx by dt, I am going to find out dx by dt is given. Okay, dx by dt is equal to 20 is a constant. What is the derivative of tan theta? Derivative of tan theta is c square theta into chain rule d theta by dt. We are going to find out d theta by dt. Okay, what is sec theta? Dx, I am going to substitute the values. What is dx by d theta? Dx by dt is 4. 4 is equal to 20. What is sec theta? Sec theta is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. That is cos theta is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So sec theta is the opposite, reciprocal of cos theta. That is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Okay. So sec theta is hypotenuse is you are going to find out what is 15. The opposite side is 15. You can find out the hypotenuse. Base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse. base square plus height square equals hypotenuse square, right? So what is base square? 15 square, that is 225, plus height square is 20 square, 400, equals h square. H square equals 225 plus 400 is 625. What is h? H is equal to square root of 625 is 25. So the hypotenuse is 25. So 20 c square theta. C square, what is c square theta? C square theta is hypotenuse, that is 25 by adjacent side 20, that is square, sec square theta. Okay, not sec theta, c square theta. Then times d theta by dt. That is what we need to find out. D theta by dt. Okay, I am going to simplify 25 by 20. 25 by 20 is 5 by 4. So 4 is equal to 20 times 5 by 4 square into d theta by dt. 5 square is 25. 4 is equal to 20 times 5 square, 25. What is 4 square? 16 into d theta by dt. Okay, 16 we can cancel out. This is 5. 4 times. This one is 4. 4 times 4, 60. Now 4 is equal to 5 times 25 is 125 divided by 4 is equal to d theta by dt. Okay, what is d theta by dt? When you cancel, you can cancel out 4. You don't need this one here. So by multiplying 4 by 125, you can cancel out, right? So 4 by 125 both sides multiplying, right? So this is the answer. D theta by dt equals, see, 4 times 4, 16 by 125. Okay, that is radians. The unit of angle is radian per second. So that is the answer. There is no pi, right? There is no pi here. So one more time. A man walks along a straight line, that is positive direction. He is walking along the positive direction of the x-axis at a rate of 4 feet, that is dx by dt. Dx by dt is 4 feet per second. Okay, a searchlight is located on the ground here and it is rotating. Wherever he goes, the light also follows him, right? A searchlight is located on the ground 20 feet away from the path, so 20 feet away from the path, and is kept focused on the man. At what rate is the searchlight rotating? We are going to find out the rotating speed, that is angular velocity, that is d theta by dt. Okay, we are going to find out d theta by dt when the man reaches a point 50 meters away from the starting point. Okay, so when x is equal to 15, we are going to find out d theta by dt. So we need to find out a relation between x and theta, x and opposite side and theta. We are going to find out. So this is the relation. Tan theta equals opposite side by adjacent side, x by 20. So tan theta equals x by 20. Differentiating both sides, you get dx by dt is equal to 20. Derivative of tan theta is c square theta d theta by dt. Okay, c square theta, we need to find out c square theta. Cos theta is the adjacent side by hypotenuse. Sec theta is just the reciprocal of this one. So hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. So what is hypotenuse? We can find out. 15, x is 15, height is 20. What is hypotenuse? 25. So by applying Pythagorean theorem. So h square is equal to 625, h is equal to 25. Hypotenuse is 25. So just substitute those values here. Dx by dt is 4. Dx by dt is 4. 20 is there. What is sec theta? Sec theta is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. 25 by 20 square into d theta by dt. 25 by 20, that is 5 by 4. 5 by 4 is 25 by 16. 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16. You can cancel out 5 by 4, 125 by 4, 16 by 125. See, that is d theta by dt. Alright? Alright. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. See you next time. Thank you.